So Rosie Bell and I are testing out the van, and we had our first sleepover last night, which went pretty well, except for the fact it got a little chilly. Right, kiddo? Got a little cold. And I couldn't get the heater to work like I thought it was going to work. So thank goodness I prepared and brought a little electric heater with us, which was nice because when we woke up, it was 59 degrees. A little chilly. Not exactly my favorite, but we snuggled up and handled it pretty well. So anyways, we are in the van. We'll call it the official day 2. And we're learning lots and lots. All right, on to the next task of the day. Let's talk about breakfast. See, yesterday I had a dish and I did not wash it. I like an empty sink before I go to sleep, but that just did not happen. I did do dishes. I was waiting for them to dry. I think I'm going to do an Egg McMuffin. Let's see how this whole thing works out. So the one appliance that I actually brought was a toaster. I know it sounds sort of crazy, but I love like a homemade Egg McMuffin. And this is one thing I just couldn't live without, so I brought that. This is my one pan with a lid that I have that I haven't quite figured out where I'm going to put either, but I'm working on that. Now it's time for Rosie's egg, because I get one and she gets one. I have to let it cool off a little bit, and I'll cut it up as well. And then I'm going to put it in her dog food dish. Watch this. Looks like she is ready for breakfast. She's like, yeah, Mom. All right, hold on. It's a little warm. Don't go too crazy yet. So, as with every trip, as much as you pack and prepare, you're always going to forget something. And of course, I forgot the water regulator, of course. That's always, one of those things you sort of need, because if you've ever blown out your plumbing system in a rig, you'll know exactly why. Anyway, so I forgot one. But the good news is I'm at the campground, and I was going to travel up to Walmart. Actually, I went to the campground store first to see if they had one. And then they didn't have one. So then she said, go to Walmart. So I got directions to Walmart because, when in doubt, there's always a Walmart. And then we found some friends over here, which is great. And he's like, oh yeah, I just bought an extra one because they were in that horrible Texas storm with all the cold and their regulator froze. So I got their old regulator, which is just fine. It's a big deal to make sure that you have the right water pressure in your rig or you can blow out your plumbing. So thank you to Julie and Ryan. We really appreciate that. And now Rosie can have her dog water bowl filled from the inside. So as you can tell, it's really sunny out. And Rosie is like snuggling up to me. Oh, geez. And she's ready for her morning walk. So we're going to go for a morning walk and you guys can come with us and check it out. So I forgot to tell you that van life is glamorous business. It looks just like everything on Instagram. And, you see these massively set up shots and gorgeous settings and things like that. Not exactly like that. It's not for the faint of heart. It takes a little while to get used to. And it's really cool if you really get into it. So just want to let you know, That's what it's all about. I've learned a heck of a lot on this trip, and I'm really glad that I got to share it with you, and hopefully we both learned something. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when our new videos come out. And thanks for being our forever best friend.